Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken, and today's experiment is the water bottle pressure smoke. This experiment will show you how to get steam to come out of a water bottle without heating it. It's a simple, fun, easy pressure experiment, which is really awesome. As always, adult supervision is required. What you need for this experiment is a water bottle and 2 hands. Start off with just a small amount of water in the bottle as you see here, but actually you don't need any water in the bottle as it should still work, but in this experiment we're using a little bit of water. Make sure the cap is not on too tight as you won't be able to twist the bottle. So it takes a little bit of practice to get the cap on just right. You want it tight enough to hold the pressure in, but you don't want it too tight where you can't twist the bottle. Also hold the bottle very tightly as you see here. If you don't, you're going to have to restart twisting again. You're going to keep twisting until you cannot twist anymore. This is an awesome hands-on experiment to show kids, so make sure you wear safety glasses as the pressure inside the bottle can make the cap fly very far and very fast. So now you're going to switch where you hold one part of the bottle with one hand and one at the top part with the top hand, and you have one finger that's going to quickly release the cap. If you do it too slow, it's not going to work. So you want to get that loose a little bit and then pop it off really quick, and there it goes. The cap goes shooting off, and we just created smoke inside a bottle. One more time in slow motion, and it's going to go. And there's your smoke. Instant smoke. Here's another shot here. You can see sometimes the cap's on a little tight. You might need to use 2 fingers just to kind of start to loosen the cap. Once that cap starts to get loosened, then you could go back to 1 finger, and you want to do it very quickly. If you do it too slow, it's not going to release the pressure fast enough, and you're not going to get the smoke. The cap might still fly off, but you will not get the smoke. So you have to pop it off very quickly right at the end, and it's about to come right now. Pull it really quick and explode. There it goes. Then hold your bottle straight up and squeeze your smoke out, or give it a squeeze and make a little smoke ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe as we do a new video every day. Thanks for watching.